Hello students, I'm Pratha Nanavati from Saraswat International Academy. We are learning maths of standard 6. Chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers, part 14. Students, now we are going for question number 10. Determine if 25,110 is divisible by 45. Here hint is given. 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Test the divisibility of the number by 5 and 9. Students, first of all, pay attention here. What is meaning of co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers 5 and 9. They are not coming in the table of same number. For suppose I am explaining you 9 and 6. They are coming in same table of a number, common number, which is 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so here 3 is a common number in whose table these both numbers are coming. Okay, but 5 and 9, they are called co-prime as they are not coming in the table of a same number, common number. Getting it or not? Okay, we will start our solution from here. Pay attention here. As we know, what we know, that 45 is equals to 9 multiplied by 5. Clear? Okay. So first of all, we will check for 5, as here given that we have to test the divisibility of number. Which number? This number 25,110 by 5 and 9. So we will start from 5. We can say that 25,110 is divisible by 5. Directly, how can we say that? As unit place digit of given number is what? 0. In divisibility test, we know that when at unit place of a number there will be 5 or 0, the given number is divisible by 5. Getting it or not? So here there is no need to count anything. We just have to observe what? Unit place. Here there is 0, means it is divisible by 5. But we have to write it in statements like this. Clear, students? Okay. Now for 9. Okay, for 9 what we have to do? We have to add all the numbers which are, all the digits of given number. Here 25,110 is given. So we will write sum of digits of 25,110. Means what we have to do? 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. Clear? If we will add it, what will be sum of this number? 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Here there will be 9. In divisibility test, we know that if sum of all the digits of given number is divisible by 9, then whole number is divisible by 9. Here sum is what? 9 only. Obviously 9 is divisible by 9. So we can say that here sum of digits, which is 9, we have to write it in bracket, is divisible by 9. Getting it or not? Your sum of digit, which is 9, is divisible by 9. Students, ये ब्रैकेट में मैंने सम जो है वो लिखा है, एंड दिस 9 कौन सा है? जो हमने टेस्ट, जिसकी डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट की है वो. क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट statement will be, so 25,110 is also divisible by 9. Clear? अगर हमारा सम 9 से डिविजिबल है तो हमारा पूरा नंबर भी 9 से डिविजिबल होगा. क्लियर? Our next statement is as which two numbers 9 and 5 are co-prime numbers. वो दोनों co-prime numbers है. Which 9 and 5 दोनों co-prime numbers से हमारा जो नंबर दिया है कौन सा दिया है नंबर 25,110. ये नंबर 9 और 5 दोनों से डिविजिबल है एंड ये दोनों नंबर कैसे हैं co-prime numbers है. So we can say that product of 5 and 9 is equals to 45. जो हमने आगे ही देखा by 45 also given number is divisible. Getting it or not? Statement में क्या लिखेंगे? Again I am explaining. Pay attention here. As 9 and 5 are co-prime numbers, 25,110 is also divisible by product of 5 and 9. Clear? 5 and 9 का product क्या होगा students? 9 multiplied by 5 is equals to 45. Clear? So we can write therefore 25,110 is divisible by 45. Here our sum is over. Getting it or not? Number 11. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is also divisible by 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. Means 18 is divisible by 6 also. Clear? Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must be divisible by 24? 24 which is product of 4 and 6. Product means multiplication. Clear? We have to answer that whether that number which is divisible by 4 and 6 same number is divisible by 24 or not. And next is given that if not, give an example to justify your answer. Okay, so we will start our solution from here. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, it is divisible by, in bracket we have to write 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. It is divisible by 6 also. Students, here we know that 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. What is meaning of co-prime numbers? Means they are not coming in the table of a same common number. Clear? So they are called co-prime numbers. Okay. A number is, then we will write, pay attention here, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. But 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. Students, why 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers? Because 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. ये दोनों एक ही नंबर के टेबल में आ रहे हैं. कौन सा नंबर है वो? 2. So this 2 are which 2? 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. Getting it or not students? यहाँ तक की जो डिटेल्स है वो हमें ऑलरेडी दी है. वी जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड आउट इट्स रीज़न. और हमें रीज़न पता है कि जब भी कोई दो नंबर कोप्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं तो उनके प्रोडक्ट से जो हमें मिलता है 2 and 3 के प्रोडक्ट मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन से क्या मिलता है हमें? 6. तो 6 कोई नंबर 2 and 3 से डिविजिबल होगा तो वो नंबर 6 से भी डिविजिबल होगा. बट हियर ये जो हमें 4 and 6 दिया है दे आर नॉट कोप्राइम नंबर्स. तो हमने पहले क्या देखा कि कोई एक नंबर है वो 4 and 6 से डिविजिबल है. बट 4 and 6 आर नॉट कोप्राइम नंबर्स. सो दैट number is not divisible by product of 4 and 6. I'm sorry. इन दोनों की प्रोडक्ट क्या होगी? 4 multiplied by 6 is equals to 24. मतलब सो दैट नंबर इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 24. हमारा स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो रहा है, ध्यान रखना. सो दैट नंबर इज़ नॉट डिविजिबल बाय, वी हैव टू राइट दिस इन ब्रैकेट and then 24, full stop. Students, you have to write this in notebook. Okay, now what is given? If not, give an example to justify your answer. अब हम example लेंगे. For suppose we are taking a number, suppose we are taking 36. 36 is divisible by 4 and 6. We know that 4 9s are 36, 6 6s are 36. But 36 is not divisible by 24. And again I am telling you, 24 is product of given two numbers which are not co-prime numbers. Getting it or not? Okay, here our sum is over. Okay students, suppose I am giving you another number which is divisible by 4 and 6. कौन सी आ सकती है? जस्ट याद करो अपने आप. Yes, 12. For suppose we are taking 12. तो 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12. So 12 is divisible by both 4 and 6. But 12 is not divisible by 24. Students, 12 को डिवाइड करना है 24 से, विच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. गेटिंग इट और नॉट? ये एक्स्ट्रा एग्जाम्पल था. क्लियर? ये आपको मेंशन नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू राइट अप टू दिस ओनली. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज अवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन. सम ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? Okay, first of all we will write smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Pay attention here students, our solution starts from here. Okay, पहले हमने क्या लिखा है? That smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Okay, now prime factors. Just remember, it starts from 2, 3, 5. These all are prime numbers. 7, then 9. 9 is your prime number, yes or no students? No. So after 7 there will be 11 and up to. Clear? We want 4 different prime factors, but the number should be smallest. क्लियर? तो अब सोचो, नंबर स्मॉलेस्ट भी होना चाहिए और प्राइम फैक्टर्स भी होना चाहिए. सो वी मस्ट हैव टू टेक फर्स्ट 4, तो ही स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होगा. अगर हम 3, 5, 7, 11 लेंगे देन इट विल बी नॉट स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. ओके, बट वी हैव टू टेक व्हाट? फर्स्ट 4 प्राइम नंबर्स. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर smallest 4 different prime numbers are what? 2, 3, 5 and 7. स्टूडेंट्स, समझ में आ रहा है हमने क्यों ये फर्स्ट 4 ही लिए? बिकॉज अगर हम ये 4 लेते तो उसका जो प्रोडक्ट है, उसका जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो स्मॉलेस्ट नहीं होता. ओके, एंड वी वांट हियर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर हैविंग 4 different prime factors. Getting it or not? Okay, just pay attention here. Next step, what we will do? Required number is equals to, जो हमने smallest prime numbers लिए हैं, we will multiply it. Okay, 2 multiply by 5, 10 multiply by 3, 7s are 21 is equals to 210. This is our answer. Okay, so 210 is smallest number having 4 different prime factors. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, समझ में आया कुछ? अगर हम इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे इस मेथड से, यू हैव टू डू इट. हाँ, योर आंसर विल बी व्हाट? 210 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 7. ये होता, बस हमने वही मेथड रिवर्स किया है. लुक, हमें क्या चाहिए था? स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर विच नंबर हैविंग 4 डिफरेंट प्राइम फैक्टर्स. तो हमने क्या किया, स्मॉलेस्ट 4 प्राइम फैक्टर्स चूज़ किए, उसका प्रोडक्ट किया, तो वो जो नंबर है वो हमारा रिक्वायर्ड नंबर है. क्लियर? गेटिंग इट और नॉट? Here our exercise is over. Thank you for watching.